Good morning. Now we discuss about this magnification of the microscope. Myself, Professor Kamthane DC from the Department of Microbiology, SGB College, Purna. Good morning. We discuss about this magnification of the microscope. This purpose of this microscope, it is to enlarge the image of the object. The object is, we consider here the microorganism. These microorganisms are not seen by the unaided eye. For observing the microorganism, it needs the microscope. And this magnification of the microscope, it depends upon the optical parts of the microscope and the light rays path. These optical parts are the lenses used in case of this microscope. This magnification having the formula, magnification is equal to magnification given by the objective lens and it is multiplied by the magnification given by the ocular lens. This ocular lens also called as the eyepiece. These objective lenses are of different magnification giving lenses, and this magnification, this may be 10x, 45x, 100x. These 10x and 45x, these are called as the dry lenses, while this 100x lens, objective lens, it is called as the oil immersion lens. This objective lens of 10x and 45x are called as the dry lenses because the medium in between the objective lens and the slide, it is the air. Therefore, these are the dry lenses. This medium in between the objective lens of 100x and the slide, it is oil one, and therefore this is oil immersion lens. Here the medium, it is the oil. These eyepiece or the ocular lenses are of different magnifications. These may be 5x, 10x or 15x. We can adjust any one of these eyepiece. Generally or commonly, this 10x eyepiece lens is used. This x, it is nothing but the magnification. Magnification unit, it is x1, and 10x eyepiece, it is generally used. We see the magnification by putting the different values of eyepiece lenses, or we can calculate the magnification by putting this magnification of this objective lens and the magnification of this eyepiece lens. If we put the magnification of 10x in the magnification given by the objective lens, and this 5x, this is the magnification of this ocular lens, and this will give 50x magnification. That means the object, it is magnified 50 times more. We can substitute the 10x by 100x and this 5x of eyepiece lens by the 15x, and this is giving 1500x magnification. The microscope usually gives the magnification in between 1500x to 2000x magnification, and here in this range the clear or the sharp image, it will be given. If the magnification increased beyond this 2000x, then this will give the fuzzy image. This image, it is not clear, therefore this is called as the fuzzy image. There are the two factors which are affecting on the magnification of the microscope. First one, distance of the object from the focal point, and number two, the curvature of the lens. If the distance of the object from the focal point is smaller, it will give the greater magnification, and if the curvature of the lens, it is more, it will give the less magnification. These are the two factors affecting on the magnification of this microscope. Thank you for your listening.